This is specifically, I've written it or I've created these videos for authors because I've been searching to do copyright my book, and there are a lot of people who want a lot of money to copyright. It's a very simple process, just 500 rupees INR and 10 minutes. That's all you need to copyright your work. Stay tuned for 10 minutes and you would know exactly what are the steps to copyright your work. So first of all, what you need to do is go to copyright.gov.in. In case you do not know, just say Copyright Office, Copyright Office India. It's gonna show you few of the details. Just click on Copyright Office, and here is the copyright.gov.in. Once you are here, what you need to do is you need to go to registration of the copyright. This is form 10.4, which is 14. So click on this. Don't be amused by all the other things which you see on your screen. So what you need to do is, if you are new, just go to new registration, write your username, fill in all your details here. User ID here, please ensure if you write, let's say I write Kavita here, 123, this is my user ID. In the login screen, you do not write email as the user ID. This is gonna be your user ID for this particular website. Write down your password, write down confirm password and this number, and click on submit. You do not have to go to, there is no confirmation email which comes as of now, so just go ahead and make your username. Once you have made your username, just come to this particular screen, which is come login, and click on form 14. Once you click on form 14, it's gonna ask you what is your username and password. Type in your username and password here. I actually have forgotten my username and password. And type in the letters which you see here. So once you log in, it's gonna show you your dashboard. I have submitted my work. Now what you need to do is you need to e-file the application. Click on e-filing of the application. Click here for online copyright. Now this is the form 14 for copywriting of your work. What you need to do is write down who has created, who is the one, write down your name and your address. So let's say this is your name and the address is some address, and for that what I've done is I have copied, you can copy paste the address from a Word file, which is easier, so that it just stays here, and write down the pin code. Date of dispatch, as of now you don't have to write anything. This is the thing, this is the first step. Communication, write down again your name, your communication address, pin code, and then your phone number, and then click on I accept. Once you click on I accept, this is the first step. It goes through 4 steps of the process. Click on save. Phone number is not valid, I know. Right. Okay, this is the second step. So it comes to the next step now. The next step asks you for what is the category of the applicant. I am an individual. You can write your business address if you want. Others I don't know. So click on individual. I think that's the best thing. Which state are you in? So write your state, wherever you are. I'm just writing Uttar Pradesh and then Gautam Buddha Nagar. So you can write again your name and then your full address and the PIN code, and save this applicant. So this is the one wherein the steps gonna get repeated again and again. Choose your signatures. So choose your signatures here, upload your signatures. How do you create your signatures? In your phone you can have your signature and then click on upload signatures. Nature of the applicant or interest in the book. Now, who are you? Are you an author, owner, publisher, or what? So, as I said, I'm creating this video for the authors, right authors. What is that which you are making? Are you making music or a software or a book? And then write the description of the book. So, write description of the book. Book is for music or for whatever. The title of the book, this has to be really, really clear. Whatever the title you have, write that title. PMP in 21 days. So I'm not writing my full title because I don't want to intend to submit it. This is English, and then again name and address of the author. So I'm the author, so I would write same as the applicant. Here you get it. I'm not dead, so this is fine. Is the work published? Yes, it is published. So again, same as the author or same as the applicant, it comes here. What is the date of publication? You can write the date of, click on edit, and you can write date of publication here, update. Years and countries of subsequent publication, if any. So in case there are many publications, you can write. Not applicable here. Keep on coming down. And then in case you have used it somewhere else, you can write down all the other details. In my case, it is not relevant, and I'm sure in your case, 90% of the cases, it's not relevant. In case you have added in the Design Act 2000, you can add those details here. And click on Save. So it's gonna ask you who is the digital right person. Wherever it's gonna ask you questions, you can say same as the applicant. Click on Save. This is the third step, and it's gonna ask you, is it an original work or is it a translation and things like that. So give appropriate answer. For me, this was an original work and I don't have to write anything here. If it was a translation, then you would write the original work and things like that here. I don't have to declare anything over here, so I create, save. So this is done, and then now the total amount which I need to pay is e-payment, and I pay. Understand, your application would not be saved unless you pay. So you can click on pay and say I agree, make a payment. Now here use Chrome as the browser, because the other browser work very differently. See, I'm using Safari and it didn't show me anything on the top of the screen. Don't worry about anything here, you cannot edit it. So click on confirm, and then again go down. See, it does not show me anything. So please ensure that you use Chrome so that the browser work perfectly. So once you look at the one which you really want to go and pay from, you can select any of the payment gateway and select net banking. It works pretty nice. And then write your captcha and click on pay. So once you have done the payment and you log in again, you're gonna see your diary number. So this is the number which you get to track your application, and here it would say upload your document. So here you need to upload your PDF file of your work, should be less than 5 GB or 5 MB, should have some I think 5 MB. So upload your documents here, and then hopefully it would come as waiting. Waiting is a good status to be in. You can have different status, which is like, somebody, there is a problem and proof of originality required and stuff like that. So that's it. This is how easy to file your copyright application. Thank you and keep watching. Subscribe for more details. This is Kavita Sharma logging off. Bye bye.